Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best dash gauge accents is probably one of the most overlooked yet impactful ways to personalize your vehicle's interior, transforming a mundane dashboard into a statement of your unique style and passion for driving, all while enhancing readability and adding a touch of sophistication to every journey you embark upon, making your daily commute or weekend cruise feel like a truly custom experience. Number 5. OxGord AC Dash Button Repair Kit for GM Vehicles. Are your car's AC dash buttons faded or ruined? This repair kit offers a simple and effective solution to bring them back to life. It's designed to fix those worn-out controls, making your interior look new again. Crafted from professional-grade matte vinyl, these decals are built to last. They combat sun damage and mask fading paint, ensuring your buttons stay protected for years to come. Installation is a breeze. Just clean the button surface, then carefully apply each decal over its matching control. Take your time for precise placement, and you'll have a refreshed dash in no time. These aren't just stickers, they're precisely designed decals that align perfectly with your existing buttons. Their powerful adhesive ensures they stay put, preventing any peeling or shifting. This kit is specifically designed for select 07-14 GM vehicles, including cars, SUVs, vans, and trucks. Please use Amazon's Parts Finder tool to confirm it fits your specific model before purchase. What we like. This kit offers an original design and is proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality and authenticity. If you're looking for a straightforward, high-quality solution to restore your faded AC buttons, this is an excellent choice. Its easy application makes it perfect for DIY enthusiasts wanting a quick, effective fix. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source. Therefore, no points can be extracted. Number 4. GlowShift Ford F-Series Diesel Gauge Package. This comprehensive diesel gauge package is specifically designed for your Ford F-Series F-250 and F-350 models from 1992 to 1997. It ensures seamless integration and precise monitoring for your 7.3L Power Stroke engine. It provides crucial data with a 60 psi boost gauge, a 1500 degrees Fahrenheit pyrometer EGT gauge, a transmission temperature gauge, and a 100 psi fuel pressure gauge. These black 7-color series gauges offer clear, accurate readings. The package includes a factory color-matched gray quad pillar pod, designed to mount 4 gauges directly to your truck's A-pillar. Its overlay design ensures a clean, integrated look, and it's built from durable, UV-protected ABS plastic. You'll find a detailed installation guide complete with step-by-step instructions and photos. This ensures a smooth process for wiring and installing all the gauges, sensors, and the pod into your truck. Rest assured with the GlowShift guarantee, offering a 1-year limited warranty. Plus, you receive free lifetime technical support, ensuring peace of mind for years to come. What we like. This is a comprehensive diesel gauge package, specifically designed for Ford F-Series trucks. If you own a compatible diesel truck and need to monitor critical engine parameters with a factory-matched look, this package is ideal. Its detailed installation guide makes it perfect for those who appreciate clear, step-by-step instructions for a professional setup. What people say. No reviews available to extract points from. Please provide source reviews to fulfill the request. Number 3. Motor Meter Racing EVO Series GPS Digital 6-Gauge Set. Introducing a comprehensive digital gauge solution for your vehicle. This advanced set brings precision and style to your dashboard, ensuring you have all critical information at a glance. It includes a large 85mm speedometer and tachometer, along with 4 52mm gauges for volt, fuel level, water temperature, and oil pressure. These provide a complete overview of your car's performance. Experience accurate GPS speedometer readings, complete with odometer and trip meters. Its tachometer precisely reads signals from your ECU, suitable for 1 to 9-cylinder gas engines. Featuring a flat clear acrylic lens, black aluminum bezel, and black plastic housing, it boasts a modern aesthetic. The latest LCD movement technology ensures a precise and easy-to-read display. The speedometer and tachometer offer 4 switchable backlight colors, blue, red, white, and green, with 6 brightness levels. They also include historical peak recall and programmable warning functions for enhanced safety. The fuel level, volt, water temperature, and oil pressure gauges feature a two-color switchable backlight in blue and red. You can easily adjust their brightness to suit your preference. Designed for 12-volt negative ground systems, it also supports a wide range of fuel level resistance settings. This ensures it integrates seamlessly with various vehicle setups. What we like. This set features a modern digital display with GPS speedometer for precise readings. If you're upgrading your dash and want advanced features like multicolor backlighting and programmable warnings, this is a top contender. Its sleek design and customizable options make it perfect for enthusiasts seeking both style and high-tech functionality. What people say. Number 2. TraderPlus 3-pack AC dash button repair kit. These decals are crafted from professional-grade matte vinyl. They feature a blacked film adhesive to combat sun damage and hide the fading paint on your buttons. Made from special vinyl, they offer a crystal-clear and aesthetic appearance. Light passes through their translucent symbols, just like the original buttons, making your instrument panel look new again. These are not mere stickers, they are precisely designed decals. They align easily with their matching buttons, and their powerful adhesive ensures they won't peel off. Installation is straightforward. Just clean the surface of any dirt and oil, then carefully apply each decal over its corresponding button. Take your time for precise placement. They are specifically designed to fix damaged AC controls. These kits are compatible with General Motors SUV trucks. What we like. This 3-pack offers exceptional value, providing multiple decals for common wear areas. If you need a cost-effective solution to refresh multiple faded AC buttons with a near-original look, this is a great option. Its high transparency ensures light passes through, making it perfect for those who want an aesthetic and functional repair without breaking the bank. What people say. Number 1. SecosAutoparts AC panel and radio button repair decal set. Is your vehicle's AC panel or radio buttons showing wear? This repair decal set offers a simple solution to refresh their appearance. It's designed for specific models, including Buick Enclave 2008 to 2012, Chevrolet Silverado 2007 to 2014, and GMC Sierra 2007 to 2014. Please check the product description to ensure it fits your vehicle. Installation is straightforward. Just ensure the surface is clean and dry, then slowly peel and apply the decals to the correct spots. Avoid using high-pressure water guns after application. These decals boast excellent workmanship and undergo strict inspections for reliability and long-term use. They are tested before leaving the factory and checked again before shipping to you. SecosAutoparts aims to provide you with preferred products and services. Using them will help bring you a more comfortable and visually appealing driving experience. What we like. This set provides decals for both AC controls and radio buttons, offering a comprehensive interior refresh. If you own a compatible GM vehicle and want to restore both your AC and radio buttons with one purchase, this is a convenient choice. Its focus on strict quality control ensures a reliable and long-lasting repair, ideal for those prioritizing durability and a complete solution. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no specific points could be extracted or quoted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.